In the DSSSM lesson you have already covered how to adjust your mirrors, so that you have a good view of what is behind you. In this lesson you will be able to understand the different views and how to use your mirrors. You will also learn how to train your brain to use them, simply by using your voice. It is important for you as the driver to understand what you see when you look into your mirrors. This is because your brain needs to make decisions based on the information it gets through your eyes. If you ask the average motorist why they check the center mirror, their answer is invariably, to see what is behind me. What they do not tell you is, this is the true picture and it tells me how far back they are. That is because they are not aware the center mirror is flat. Just as important is to understand the view you get from the door mirrors due to their shape. This is because these mirrors are convex, so they curve out in the center. This gives you a wider view but also makes objects, such as vehicles and bikes, look further away than they actually are. Study the list and read it out loud a few times, so you remember when to use the mirrors. It says well before, to change speed and change direction because you must not wait until you are about to move. To speed up, you must check all three mirrors well before you put your foot on the gas. To slow down, you only need to check the center mirror so you know how far back the vehicle is behind you. To change direction, check your mirrors in pairs, the center mirror first, then the door mirror in the direction you want to steer. If you approach a speed change, you may find the driver behind is about to overtake you illegally. You must wait until you reach the sign. They want to accelerate when they see it. In this case you must maintain a steady speed, do not slow or speed up, then check your mirrors again. If you do need to slow, check your center mirror well before you do so. If a driver tailgates you, ease off your gas, watch them slow, then you will know how to brake safely. Well before you change direction, such as passing stationary vehicles and overtaking. You must check the mirrors in pairs early and maintain your normal position. Do not move out until you are close and you are sure it is safe to move. As you pass the other vehicle, check your mirrors in anticipation of moving back in front of them. You do not signal to come back in if it is a single lane. Before signaling. This is using the mirror signal maneuver routine which you will cover in detail in later lessons. The critical thing here is timing, which is why we use the LADA routine. Frequently. Check the center mirror every 10 seconds so you are aware what other road users behind you are doing. Finally, in a new road. When you enter a new road you should check the center mirror. Your brain needs the information to be sure you react in the correct way. Usually you will put your foot on the gas, but you must first be sure that is the right thing to do. This is a simple exercise, which will get your eyes to follow your voice. If you talk out loud, and say what you see, your brain has the information it needs to drive safely. So, just say out loud the following words. Center mirror, right mirror. Center mirror, left mirror. Now say out loud, 1, 2, 3. Center mirror. Repeat the routine 3 times, then, if you can, sit in a car, and practice saying those words in a real environment. The objective is to get your eyes to follow your voice.
Now take some time to see if you can answer these questions. If you can write them down, that may help. No need to worry though, as you will go over them quite a few times in other lessons.